This video is about using licensed trades. So when building a house, not everybody has to be a licensed person. There's a difference between being licensed by the city and being bonded and actually having a license ticket, which a person goes to vocational trades for, and they have like a certificate that they did some studying. So I'm gonna kind of name them off. So first, you need the engineer who will calculate all the loads. You need a plumber, a licensed plumber, and he's basically gonna have two designations. One, a plumbing certificate to hook up all the drainage pipes and all the supply pipes. And the plumber also usually has a gas fitting certificate. So if your house uses natural gas, there's a separate certificate required to connect all the gas together. The third is an electrician. So as far as licensing goes, the engineer, the plumber, electrician. Everybody else, you actually don't need a license. Again, by license, I mean like a trade school that you went to, not a business license, because everybody needs a business license and anybody can get them. You just go to City Hall, pay like a fee, and you're licensed to do business in the city.